guys, it's your girl Gigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you guys how I achieved this gorgeous, beautiful and natural look by doing the crochet hairstyle. So if you are interested in learning, just keep on watching. Okay guys, there's a lot of different braid patterns for crochet braids, but this is the one that I chose for this style. I did 2 rows of individual braids on the front just to create that natural box braid effect. Also, I cornrowed the middle part going straight back and connect the end of the braid. This is the hair I'm using for this install. You're gonna need a crochet latch hook to install the hair, and this is what it looks like. Each pack of hair comes with 24 braids inside. These braids have a little hole on the top just so you can crochet them in. Okay, it's time to get started. I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. Take the crochet latch hook, open it, slide it underneath the braid, and apply the box braid into the hook. Now, close the latch hook, pull the braid through, and then open the hook. Take the end of the box braid, put it in the latch hook, close the hook, and pull on it. And then secure the braid to the cornrow. When you're doing them on the back, make sure you space them a little bit. Take the crochet latch hook, open it, slide it underneath the braid, apply the box braid into the latch hook, open the latch hook, pull the braid through, and then open the hook. Take the end of the box braid, put it in the latch hook, close the hook, and pull on it, and then secure the braid to the cornrow. I'm gonna keep doing the same steps over and over, and I'm gonna slow it down a little bit so you guys can see exactly how I install the hair. Just pay attention, okay? Once you get to the front, crochet them as close as possible. And this is one pack of hair on my head right now. Now, this is 4 packs of hair on my head right now. When it comes to the single braids on the front, I'm gonna open the hook like this, slide it through the base of my braid, take the braid, put it through the hook, close it, and pull it through. And then I'm gonna put my wheel hair and the crochet braid into the hook, close it like this, and pull them through. Tighten it by pulling my braid up and the other braid the opposite of my braid, like this. Now I'm gonna wave my wheel hair through the box braid to hide it. I'm gonna open the crochet hook and go down, grab my hair, put it inside the hook, close the latch hook, and pull it through. Now go to the opposite side of the box braid and do the exact same thing. Continue doing the same pattern, basically going in and out, weaving it side to side all the way down until you can grab your wheel hair anymore. The shorter your hair is, the better, because it will take you less time. I'm gonna do another example for you guys, just so you guys can get it, okay? Slide the hook through the base of your braid. Put the crochet braid through the hook, close it and put it through, and then put your wheel hair and the crochet braid into the hook, close it like this and pull them through, and then wave your wheel hair through the box braid to hide it. Put the crochet hook through the braid, open it, grab your hair, put it inside the hook, close the latch hook and put it through. Go on the opposite side of the braid, do the same thing, keep doing it over and over until you cannot grab your wheel hair anymore. I only used 4.5 packs of hair to complete the look. And we are almost done, guys. Now I'm gonna take my Lota Body coconut and shea oil mousse. I'm going to apply it all over my hair. Now, I'm just going to trim the end of the hair to make it look clean. Now, I'm gonna take my Effortless Oil Sheen hairspray and I'm gonna spray it all over my hair to give my hair a little bit of shine. And now, I'm gonna put my hair in a high bun and add some hair jewelries. Voila, we are done. I was able to complete this look in less than 2 hours. I love you guys. Bye.